Want to know the secrets to building wealth? Dave Ramsey has the answers. In this video, we're diving deep into Dave Ramsey's top 5 financial tips that can help you achieve financial freedom. Dave Ramsey, a financial expert with decades of experience, has helped millions achieve financial freedom. He's known for his no-nonsense approach to money management and his simple yet effective strategies that anyone can follow. In this video, we'll break down each of his top 5 tips, giving you actionable steps you can start implementing today. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to level up your wealth-building game, these tips are for you. Let's get started. Let's be real, nobody really the word budget. It feels restrictive, like you're putting chains on your spending habits. But here's the thing. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It's about taking control of your money so your money doesn't control you. Dave Ramsey's budgeting method, often referred to as the envelope system, is all about simplicity. You allocate cash to different spending categories like groceries, entertainment, and transportation, putting the cash in physical envelopes. This visual representation makes it harder to overspend because once the cash in the envelope is gone, that's it for the month. The beauty of budgeting is that it brings awareness to your spending habits. Remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritization. The key takeaway here is that budgeting puts you in the driver's seat of your finances. Debt. It's a heavy weight that can hold you back from achieving your financial dreams. But fear not, Dave Ramsey's debt snowball method is here to help you break free. Here's how it works. List out all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Then, focus all your extra money on paying down the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on all the others. Once the smallest debt is gone, you take the money you were putting towards it and add it to the minimum payment of the next smallest debt, and so on. This method is all about creating small wins that build momentum and keep you motivated. As you pay off each debt, you get a sense of accomplishment that fuels your desire to tackle the next one. This psychological boost can be invaluable in helping you stay committed to your debt-free journey. The debt snowball method provides a clear path and a sustainable approach to help you cross that finish line and experience the true freedom of financial independence. Life is full of surprises, and unfortunately not all of them are good. Unexpected car repairs, medical bills, or a sudden job loss can throw a wrench in your financial plans. That's where the emergency fund comes in, your financial safety net. Dave Ramsey recommends having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. This fund acts as a buffer, protecting you from having to go into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. Imagine this. Your car breaks down and it's going to cost $1,500 to fix. Without an emergency fund, you might have to put that expense on a credit card, accruing interest and potentially setting you back on your financial goals. But with an emergency fund, you can simply dip into your savings, pay for the repair, and move on with your life. No stress, no debt, just peace of mind. Having an emergency fund not only provides financial security but also emotional peace of mind. Investing. It's a word that often seems intimidating, complex, and reserved for Wall Street hotshots. But the truth is, investing is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth, and it's accessible to everyone regardless of income level. One of Dave Ramsey's key principles is to invest early and consistently. Why? Because time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Compound interest is like a snowball effect for your money. Essentially, it means earning interest on your initial investment plus all the accumulated interest from previous periods. Dave Ramsey recommends investing 15% of your income for retirement once you've paid off all your debt, except your mortgage, and established a fully funded emergency fund. By starting early, investing consistently, and staying the course, you can harness the power of compound interest and secure your financial future. In a world of instant gratification and keeping up with the Joneses, it's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you buy a nicer car, you upgrade your apartment, and suddenly you're back to living paycheck to paycheck, despite earning more money. This is why Dave Ramsey emphasizes the importance of living below your means. It's not about deprivation, it's about being intentional with your spending and aligning your lifestyle with your financial goals. When you live below your means, you create a gap between your income and your expenses. This gap is your financial freedom fund. the money you can use to save, invest, pay off debt faster, and achieve your financial goals. Living below your means requires a shift in mindset. It's about focusing on needs versus wants, being content with what you have, and finding joy in experiences rather than material possessions. By adopting a lifestyle of living below your means, you'll be amazed at how much money you can free up to pursue your financial goals. You'll gain control over your finances, reduce financial stress, and position yourself for long-term financial success. So there you have it, Dave Ramsey's top 5 financial tips to build wealth. These are not just tips, they are fundamental principles that can transform your financial life. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, discipline, and a commitment to making smart financial decisions. Start by implementing one tip at a time. Once you've mastered one, move on to the next. The key is to take action and stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to check out more videos on our channel for more ways to become wealthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.